So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to uninstall AutoCAD. Okay, so as you can see over here right now, I have AutoCAD 2023 in English right now in my Windows PC. So what you have to do if you want to uninstall AutoCAD is that go in the start menu, then you have to go in settings. Just settings, it is very easy. Just type uninstall or remove apps. So as you can see over here, the option is add or remove program. You have to click on this thing. Then what you have to do is you have to if you can wait for a while, like one or 2 minutes, or if your computer has a good RAM, then like 30 seconds. So after going in this, you have to do is that you have to find AutoCAD, which is right over here. So after seeing AutoCAD, you have to click the three dots and press uninstall. And yeah, that's it. Your AutoCAD will be uninstalled from your computer. So if you don't have any other Autodesk software in your computer, like Revit or something like that, but as I have, so for that, if you don't have, I'm saying if you don't have, then what you have to do is that look at this all apps which are displayed right over here, which are AutoCAD, Autodesk Access, Autodesk, this and that. So you have to remove all of these apps from your computer if you want to uninstall AutoCAD completely. But if you have Revit in your computer, then you have to what you have to do is you have to open the source file where you downloaded AutoCAD, and then you have to control A, select all the files, and then you have to uninstall Autodesk AutoCAD. So in short, you have to press this three button and just press uninstall, and yeah, there you go, your AutoCAD will be uninstalled. For this video, I want my AutoCAD safe in my PC, so I'm not doing that. I'm just showing you how to do it. So yeah, thank you for watching and share it with someone who may need it.